Hello friends. Welcome back to Brainsprouts by Robbie, the channel where math becomes simple and fun. Today, we are learning how to solve word problems involving fractions, especially using addition and subtraction. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to add and subtract fractions in real-life situations and solve them step by step. Before we solve problems, let us quickly remind ourselves of some rules about fractions we must adhere to before we get the correct answer. Rule 1. To add or subtract fractions, the denominators must be the same. Rule 2. If they are not the same, we first find the lowest common denominator. Rule 3. Then we add or subtract the numerators, and keep the denominator the same. Finally, we simplify the fraction if possible. Example 1. Addition. Mary ate 1/3 of a cake in the morning and 1/6 of the same cake in the evening. How much cake did she eat altogether? Step 1. Find the lowest common denominator of 3 and 6, which is 6. Step 2. Convert 1/3 to 2/6. Step 3. Add the fractions. 2/6 plus 1/6 equals 3/6. Step 4. Simplify. 3/6 equals 1/2. So Mary ate half of the cake. Example 2. Subtraction. John drank 3/4 of a bottle of juice. His sister drank 1/4 of the same bottle. How much juice is left? Step 1. The denominators are the same, so subtract directly. 3/4 minus 1/4 equals 2/4. Step 2. Simplify. 2/4 equals 1/2. So half of the juice is left. Example 3. Addition with unlike denominators. In a race, Peter ran 2/5 of the distance and Jane ran 1/3 of the distance. How much of the distance did they run altogether? Step 1. Find the lowest common denominator of 5 and 3, which is 15. Step 2. Convert 2/5 to 6/15 and convert 1/3 to 5/15. Step 3. Add the fractions. 6/15 plus 5/15 equals 11/15. So together they ran 11/15 of the race. Challenge example. Subtraction with unlike denominators. A farmer planted 7/8 of his land with maize. He later removed 1/2 of the land to plant beans instead. What fraction of the land still has maize? Step 1. Find the lowest common denominator of 8 and 2, which is 8. Step 2. Convert 1/2 to 4/8. Step 3. Subtract the fractions. 7/8 minus 4/8 equals 3/8. So 3/8 of the land still has maize. Well done, math detectives. Today, we learned how to solve word problems by adding and subtracting fractions. Now it's time for your assignment. Assignment time. Solve these word problems. 1. A boy ate 1/5 of a pizza in the morning and 2/5 in the afternoon. How much pizza did he eat altogether? 2. A farmer used 3/4 of his land for rice. Later, he changed 1/4 of the land to cassava. What fraction of the land still has rice? 3. A runner completed 2/3 of a track on Monday and 1/6 on Tuesday. What fraction of the track did he complete in total? 4. A jug was filled with 7/10 of water. After using 3/10, what fraction of water remains? Remember, always check the denominators. Make them the same. Then add or subtract the numerators. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Brainsprouts by Robbie, and share with your friends so more children can grow their brain sprouts.